How to link a website to the Facebook page. If any day any of you are a Facebook user and you would like to link your very website to your Facebook page but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Facebook application on your mobile device. You have to find the very Facebook application on your mobile device and afterwards you have to tap on it like this. After you tap on it, Facebook will be launched on your mobile device. Now you have to make sure that you have logged into your very page on the very Facebook there in which you like to make the edit to. After that, you have to go to your profile like section. After going to your profile like section, now you can go to your page like this and then tap on it. After you tap on your page like this, you can see an interface here. Now here you can see the option of link to your website. You have to tap on this very option, link to your website, and here you can see the option of websites. You have to tap on add websites, and here you have to tap on your website address. After you tap on your website address and then save it, your very website is linked to your Facebook page. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.